Hey, what is up guys, and welcome to a new vlog. This is a new vlog and I decided to make this vlog way back at September, like when Spider-Man was just getting like teased and everything. Way back then I had decided that I will make a vlog when I go to on December. I will make a vlog and I will shoot it with my friends. This is the vlog. So yes, I am wearing my Avengers. Today is full Marvel day. The 18th of December is I'm going full Marvel. I'm not going to hesitate even a single bit. I even deleted Instagram. I almost uninstalled Snapchat, but I don't want to because streaks and WhatsApp is, you can't spoil anything on WhatsApp. So with that keeping in mind, let's go to the vlog. But before we move on, I just want to tell you, don't spoil Marvel movies. If you're a true Marvel fan, you will never spoil a Marvel movie. Also, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe, please consider liking, and yes, we did a lot of fun stuff.
Okay, so the voice
ಇದು म्हणतो विदाउट क्लास जावं गियर शिफ्ट म्हणतो ते त्याच बाय ते एक्सक्लुसिव्ह आतांच्या बायका येता ते
चडशे बायकां
घोडना हेजी कळटा रे घोडना कळटा रे गियराची
अरे ताणे लायसन्स
हां बरें आसा सो पप्पा बरें मेळटा सगळें शिकयला आयकला उरला
या दॅट्स द विकेल यार खरें तेन्ना मरे लायसन्स काडटा
हय
सगळे एका करतात पळय समज तूं गाडयेचें म्हणून काडलें पयलीं समज तूं स्कुटरीचें काडलें तें तुका नाका आशिल्लें करपा लायलें सगळे बरोबर काडलें गाडी मुखार सरना आनी एक रावंड मारून दॅट्स वॉट रायट
हो H2R over top 10 भितर येता वर्ल्डान हाय स्पीड बायक्सां मध्ये
Harley Davidson?
No, Bajaj
No, that.
Bajaj Pulsar.
बर मार तू घोडना जवळ मुखार पळयता साडी दिश्टी पडटा रे
My father gave me like that.
हय लक्ष असतात
He gave me 360 vision.
म्हाका लेफ्ट सायडीन ब्लाइंड स्पॉट आसा हय म्हाका लेफ्ट सायडीन सामकें एक बरें झपकून पळोवपा येना
मातशे त्रास पडटा
हय म्हाका तेच भंय दिसता ना म्हाका पयलो प्रॉब्लम आसा
रे हांवें म्हणून पळय हांवें म्हणून मरे चलयल्या हिरो आनी चड
हय तें आसा रे
There are thin roads near the Gandhi market, no?
Yeah.
So I had to ride with the car through there. I was close to my father, just calm down, and I'm like, okay. And by some miracle, I didn't dash anyone. I didn't dash the car.
ना रे nothing happens रे
And I was like so happy. Oh my
you can literally take a breath out no problem
so blessed.
if you have the confidence enough you can take a breath out
ना खरं गांधी मध्ये चॅलेंज सारकें रस्तो सुद्दां बारीक
हय, हय. तें
आनी प्लस सारके रस्ते सारके ना ते बी
There are like mini hills also.
हय तें
हय hills are better you have to half clutch and
Yeah, so you have to this and then you have to stick to one gear only.
that's all
The first gear.
no it's better to stick to one gear in such a situation rather than going for shifting
बोलो ए कोण बोलो बघ कारण कितला खायलो दिने रे शो
4
आज तोंड न्ही तो हां
हय
अरे त्यांनी ग्रुपार पेक्षा एक फेक स्पॉन्सर घातला पीटर डायरेक्ट नाही
Can you park here?
you can but if you want to get your part
कोण ए घरदन लहान आहे का ते यू कॅन पार्क या पण इलीगल
अरे खरी ना there's no because there was Sarah for the local people
My father told me that it's not here.
तू आता खंय पावता मी
Athoda street
खरे
नाल्यार you could have gone through there through the market but we'd have to walk
Yeah. So you left earlier. We literally have 15 minutes.
but there's no parking inside
Oh, there are people are going to
you can but it's very far though We can just can't we just go through here and then take from the KTC? Let's try. The first year, right? Yeah, we can. But it's too far.
सहज अशें पडटा चलता आनी तेन्ना आमकां काय फायन बी कोणाचो हांगा पडपा फायन
No.
पब्लीक एरिया
So we have finally reached, and now we have to walk all the way.
Your face is not visible. Your face this side.
Okay. So we have finally reached, and now we have to walk all the way to the theater because parking is horrible. Didn't know they bought the fare.
Put earphones or something.
I don't have earphones.
Use mine.
आमको बस किधर
Honk?
Just use mine.
आमको माझा फ्रेंड आमच्या आमच्या फ्रेंडाने आमकां कॉलर दिला
I'll just.
फ्रेंड्स बरं म्हणला
No. Yeah, it started. Jonathan just gave me his headphones because they are talking spoilers. Such good friends. I'll go and remove the tickets.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, you don't need to.
Huh?
They come on your phone as a message.
Yeah, that's what.
And then all of us click pictures next to this poster. I mean, like, look, here I am. Seriously, I mean, why am I posing like that? I have no idea why I'm posing like that. But then there was Jonathan. He looked cool in his Akatsuki hoodie. Yeah, poster. And you could see my phone, but don't pay attention to that.
Time to see what they changed. What did they change?
Nothing, to be honest.
They changed absolutely nothing.
It's the same. I'm gonna buy popcorn after.
Okay.
With great popcorn comes great responsibility.
I. Dibs on I-18.
16.
I. Freedom. H.
No, this is right.
This is I. Seat number 18. Yes. What? Seat number 18.
You see, a lot of fun stuff happened while we were watching No Way Home. First of all, behind us, some idiots were sitting. And by idiots, I mean people who have not watched any Marvel movies, not even Spider-Man No Homecoming or anything like that. So they didn't know what was going on. And the worst part is during the intermission, like intermission, during that time, one of them actually said that their favorite Marvel character is Batman. Batman? Excuse me? I wanted to hit that guy so hard, but I had popcorn in my hand. I mean, seriously, you are watching one of the best Marvel movies and your favorite character is Batman? What's wrong with such people? I mean, honestly, if you are a Marvel fan like this, no, please leave Marvel. I mean, honestly, just get lost. Nobody wants you. What kind of an idiotic Marvel fan goes to watch Homecoming without watching any of the previous movies? Watch the previous movies, then go to watch No Way Home. Just without watching any of the previous movies, you're not going to understand anything that's happening. And you are literally an idiot in front of Marvel fans.
Just finished the movie. It was so amazing. Just finished watching the final Spider-Man movie. Maybe final, maybe Tom Holland will get a fourth one. We don't know. but it was absolutely amazing. I highly recommend you watch it as fast as possible because the spoilers are going to come. I didn't get spoiled once. Thank God I have very good friends. But seriously, I want you guys to watch this, and I don't want you guys to wait even like another day now. Just like watch it tomorrow. Go Sunday. Go anytime. But just watch it while it's in the theaters. Because after that, it's over. You are going to get spoiled after it goes away from the theaters. So I highly recommend. It was an amazing movie. Everything that I unexpected as well as expected came to life. It was so good. And yes, I'm wearing my Avengers as well as my I Love You 3000 shirt, and as well as my Attack on Titan. I think these are track pants. Maybe they are track pants. I don't know. But it's such an amazing movie. I loved it. And I hope that you love it too. Obviously, it's a Marvel movie. You can't hate it. It's an amazing movie. And now we are going to collect the car, and I'm going to drive us all home. I don't know where one person stays, but I guess we'll figure it out afterwards. Okay. Side. No, not you. He. Overtake.
No, it's okay, re. Bro, you are on the right lane, right? He can overtake from the left. Also, it says super bike. They don't care about.
Obviously, they don't care.
I think. Should be in limit. By limit control होता नहीं. सुशेगात limit आहे और काय. पण auto control होतात ते किती आहे. मेरा bro.
And next level. And next feelings then away.
Amul Bonsa. Obviously.
बस रोबिना सा पास
हमारे औकात के बाहर.
हां औकात असेल पण बोलला खरं बोलला काय शू आज पास गेला
कॉटन कॅन्डी पण.
इथले महाराज थोडं पण होता
I like the rifle chocolate.
हां मका दिला वाटता
3 cheers chocolate.
ना पण हमें कॉटन कॅन्डी माराय लिटरली ते घेऊ पाहता.
Okay, I'll just take in little bit so you can go there.
सुरू होता काय
Yeah, I'm going to take a reverse this now.
वेलकम दिली तो
Like all the people do.
खरे हांगा कोण येता पळय 1000 दिवस येता पळय तुवें
Okay,
ते बाय
just wait.
ओ केवढते कोण
Done.
रिवर्स निवत चाललो
Bye bye.
बरे बाय बाय कोसर भाषे रे
Nah.
ओय बरे बाय बाय
Okay.
चल रे पाटला बाबा काम करू ना तू हां यो
The somewhat tough part.
Oh, हांगा मात्र एकटा काटा पण.
Oh wait, no, never. Never.
ट्रॅफिक ना नाही रे. उधर समज.
हम घर पे तुम्हारे तू
Yeah. Hey, no. I'm just going to leave you all at the mandap.
मुकर बाबा मारे हम घर बाबा तो तेरी
No. Finally made it home. Car is parked. Everything is done. We have made the movie. How did you enjoy the movie?
It was too good, bro. So like, I was about to literally cry. The movie, they have directed it so well, my friends. Like, it was a really worth it movie, bro. How was your experience with it?
Very nice. And are you hyped for the future of Marvel?
Yeah, I'm hyped for Doctor Strange 2 and also some of the more series that are coming in right now. I have to watch a lot.
Okay.
That's it.
So if you guys don't know me, this guy is Jonathan, Gaming with Joy. Plug your channel.
So yeah, I'm from Gaming with Jay, the main admin of Gaming with Jay. I usually do streaming, but kind of stopped since I have some work to do. Other than that, I do Valorant Valorant gaming videos, and yeah, that's it.
Okay. So that was Gaming with Joy. The cameraman is Nikhil, Evil Shadow, if you want to give a shout out. And that was the vlog. It was a very nice vlog. I enjoyed it. It was a very nice experience with my friends. I also met Shivalab, Srijay Kensil. That's why Jonathan is here now. So that was the vlog. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, subscribe. Subscribe to Jonathan, Gaming with Joy. Subscribe to Nick. I'll give all their channel links in the description. And thank you for
Akatsuki
watching.
for life.
Survey Cops.
Akatsuki.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Guys, please tell in the comments if Akatsuki is better than Subway Cops. Please tell if Attack on Titan is good or
No.
Naruto is better.
No.
Avengers Supremacy.
Itachi Supremacy.
Okay, yeah, Itachi Supremacy. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Bye bye.